I know what you're thinking. Who goes to Khadakwasla to celebrate a birthday? That too when you're living in Pune? Well, Khadakwasla is supposed to be overcrowded, overpriced, and a bit overrated. But what if I tell you कि जहाँ पे मैं स्टे कर रही हूँ वहाँ से राइट साइड में सिंहगढ़ दिखता है और हमारे बिल्कुल पीछे खड़कवासला डैम के बैक वाटर्स दिखते हैं, तो क्या आप यकीन करेंगे? And this resort is pet friendly. So if you are a fellow pet parent who is looking for an affordable, comfortable, and peaceful stay for your pet and yourself, then this vlog is just for you. In this video, I'll be telling you the name of this place, how to reach here, how to do the booking, the activities I did with Tank, and many other details that can help you plan your trip with your pet. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do it right now so that you keep on getting updates of my trips henceforth.
This place is called Palvi Resort. It is located on the Pune Panchat Road in Khanapur. Since the check-in was after 1 p.m., I started from my home at 12 p.m. and I encountered a lot of traffic on my way.
You're in an 8-minute congestion. You're on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 1:05 p.m.
For the entire journey, Tank relaxed in his hammock-style car seat. The last stretch of road to the resort was in a very bad condition.
Your destination is on the left.
When you enter the Pallavi Resort, the parking is on the left-hand side. And when you go in the left side, there is the kitchen, and on the right side, there is the dining room. You go further and there is a lawn area, which is a common area. The best part about this resort is they have only 4 houses, which can accommodate 2 people each and maybe another extra person. So at any point in time, there will never be a lot of crowd in here. They also have a beautiful swimming pool and an area for rain dance. But you know what I like the best? There is so much space for Tank to move around and play around. They also have something like a watchtower from where you get the Khadakwasla Dam backwaters view. Hello. Now let me show you our chalet from inside. Every chalet has a porch, a separate porch for itself, and this is the room. The rooms are quite big. When you get inside, there is a toilet and a bathroom on the left-hand side, and there is this king-sized bed, a big mirror. The rooms are air-conditioned, but I don't know if we have uninterrupted electricity supply. So because right now the air condition is not working, and we have a balcony here. And it's a beautiful view outside from the room. There are only 4 such chalets in the resort, so the resort doesn't get much crowded at a time. But yeah, if you have a pet dog with you, it is always better to come on weekdays when there are less people and your pet gets all the freedom. Now let me show you what all I have packed for Tank. First of all, I have his towel and another towel to dry him if he decides to go in the dam backwaters. I have one long line. I always carry a long line for safety if I have to pull him out of water. I always put a harness on him when he goes inside the water. Then I have all his leashes, and this is his high visibility vest, and it's also a raincoat. And yeah, this is the small gas and the small stove which I use to heat his food. This is going to be his breakfast for tomorrow. And yeah, this is for humans. This is a frisbee for humans, not for you. Your ball, take your ball. Yeah. So that's his bag, and I always carry this bag with me whenever I'm going especially near to a water body. Let me show you how I carry Tank's fresh food. So this is the ice box. In this ice box, I have some ice packs, and this is his dinner. So I always make it a point to carry the same food that he eats every day at home, even on trips, so that his stomach is fine and he is able to enjoy the trips.
गाइज अब शाम हो चुकी है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस प्लेस लुक्स इवन इन द इवनिंग्स.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. I'm sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
Okay, so let us do an honest review of this place, Palvi Resort. What I liked about this place is it's in a peaceful environment. So there is no honking, there are no vehicles, and you can directly see the dam backwaters. You can see the Sinhagad Fort from inside the campus of this resort. Very peaceful. And if you have a pet with you, a dog with you, there is so much space for that dog to play. He was almost on his own exploring the whole place. I didn't have to look after him much because it's safe. There are not a lot of dogs who are coming in the campus and troubling us, nothing like that. So I think for your pet it is one of the best places you can take it to. Even if you have children with you, there is a swimming pool, they have some board games, they even have badminton, I think. So if you want to do some outdoor activities, there is a lot of scope over here. What I didn't like about this place is their service. I didn't like the cleanliness inside the room, like the bathrooms were not that clean. Again, the service is very slow, so you place an order for tea and you will get it after almost 45 to 50 minutes. Same with the food. I personally didn't like the quality of, so there is a trade-off. You will get a lot of free time and free space and everything over here, but at the same time the food is not good and they can improve in the cleanliness factor. So this resort is quite far from the main market, so if you want to buy something from outside, it's practically not possible to take your car out and go 8 kilometers to the junction and bring something from there. I think the best way you can come here and enjoy is get your own food, use their plates, use their cutlery, but get your own food. And if you have a stove like me, a small stove and a small gas canister or something, you can make your own tea. Come here, you can enjoy the environment. Don't take their all inclusive package, it is not worth it, that I can definitely tell you. Just take the room. I think it is 3,000 for one room, that's what we have paid, so it is not including any food or anything. And manage food on your own. I hope you liked this vlog of mine, and I hope you found a place near Pune where you can take your dog and you can have fun with him, in the outdoors, because Sinhagad is very close by. So you can go for a hike to Sinhagad. You can even take your dog for a swim in the Khadakwasla lake. That's all for now from this vlog. I will hope to see you in my next vlog. Until then, bye.